Good morning, dear Swissies. Today I present you a little walking tour through Brienz because everything is blooming and wow, nature is just exploding right now. So it's the right time, huh? I maybe can show you some places you didn't know, huh? In Brienz. Because of course most of the people, they just go at the same spots. Yeah, sometimes I do the same, but I like to explore something new. Yeah, so this is the unknown area of Brienz. Yeah, it rained a lot. You see, every little tree is green now. It's interesting because normally when you are in a city or in a village, the center of the village is mostly the most beautiful part of the village, but in Brienz it is a little bit different. The most beautiful houses are a little bit above Brienz. Yeah, this is just a little tip, but don't tell anyone, girl. There are so many nice houses in this area. It's like a little Bollenberg. It's like a museum, but there are people living here. Nice, right? Yeah, this is a nice part, huh, of the church. But I lived once nearby a church. I will never do it again. Yeah. And you maybe know why. Yeah, and don't forget to look back again. We've learned. Ah, sun is coming. Hey, probably you know this part. It's just in front of the church. So if you are in Brienz, you need to go away from the main street and walk around the village a little bit. Yeah, then you see houses like this. Ah, this tip is only for you. You see the yellow stuff on the lake? This is not dirt. This is from the blossom. From here you can see over the whole village of Brienz, and if you see on the right side, you see a waterfall, and this is the Olchibach Fall. Yeah, you can see it from here. I once had a wedding here. Yeah, as a photographer, not my own wedding. Yeah, that was really nice. Yeah, a nice couple, a nice church, and a nice village. What do you want more? Huh? Ah, I tell you a little bit about this house here. Yeah, this is a Schnitzerschule. They learn how to do art out of wood. Yeah, and in this building here, they learn how to build violins, Giga. Yeah, it is the only school in Switzerland. So Brienz is an artist village. Kann man so sagen? So now you know why I don't want to live close at the church. But I love to listen to it from far away. We just walk by the school I was talking about. Yeah, they do stuff like this. Cool, huh? Yeah, you can sit on it. It is amazing how I also learn together with you, with my videos, and how I see things differently every time. We just check some more art. Maybe it's interesting for you. An ape. What's this? A body, a half body. Yeah, whatever it is. Ooh, that's a nice one. Huh? A head. Oh, a libelle. Ah, I forgot the word in English. But you can see it. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Libelle. So cool, huh? Yeah, this is also Brienz, you know. The birds are already calling for me. They may be looking forward to my visit. The singing of the birds is most intense in the early morning. Yeah, then they sing, they sing like hell. We are walking up now the Brunngasse, the Brunn alley. And yeah, we're searching for some other nice houses in Brienz. Yeah, looks good, huh? Whoa, that's a nice one. I love it when it is so old school, you know, when it's not too modern. En natuurlijk met een bloemen. I love the flowers. So that was a little bit a different walking tour around my hometown, Brienz. Yeah, a little bit away from the well-known places, and I hope you enjoyed it.